Hey guys, Mark from Lister Motorsports in Troutman, North Carolina. I just wanted to do a quick video and just thank the new guys that are subscribing to my channel. I think it's really cool. I do a lot of car reviews, a lot of car sales, car show stuff, and most of the time it's to sell a car. We'll do a walk around video, another video with the car running, and usually a third with the car up on the lift so you can see the undercarriage. And that's helped me make money with YouTube ever since I started back in 2014. So I don't make money from YouTube on my content because I don't have enough followers or enough hours or minutes or whatever. I'm not sure how all the algorithms work yet, but it's made money for me in a direct way by helping me sell my cars. So I'm really grateful to YouTube for that. I doubt I'll ever get to be one of those mega channels that has 1 million subscribers and all kinds of people everywhere buying merchandise and all that crazy stuff. I don't think I'll ever get to that point. It's interesting, it's fun, it's very cool to watch everybody, but it's a lot of work. And those guys bust their butts day and night, and they have people to help them, editing videos, all that kind of stuff. A lot of guys do one-man shows and they do it, but it's like a day and night thing. You have to be so dedicated to it, which I'm just dedicated to my car business. I also sell classic watches, vintage watches, and that's been just about as busy as the cars have. So between those two things and the YouTube videos that I help use to help promote them, YouTube is making me money. So I'm very happy with that. If you'd like to see some car videos and some other stuff, I've got about 230 videos up now. Some are a year old, a couple of years old, but there are some pretty cool classic cars, muscle cars, a lot of El Caminos, Jaguars, Monte Carlos, Camaros, that kind of thing. If you'd like to subscribe, that'd be great. And I just appreciate every single person that watches my videos, whether they subscribe or not. Anyway, it's Thursday afternoon. It's colder than it's been. Yesterday was 60. Today's like 35. A little bit cold for North Carolina. But just wanted to say a little thank you to the people that are watching my videos. Okay, guys. Over and out.